Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming exactly what you have and why it matters. If your camera is analog, it uses BNC. IP cameras stream over Ethernet. Most TVs cannot read raw BNC or RTSB streams, so you need a DVR or NVR with HDMI output to translate signals. Once done, connect camera to the recorder with BNC or Ethernet and plug recorder HDMI into the TV. Make sure power supplies are stable. Without stable power, the recorder won't output a picture. Next, you configure the recorder so the TV receives a clean signal. Once the recorder boots and discovers cameras, set the output resolution to match your TV, usually 1080p or 720p, because mismatched resolution causes black screens or scaling artifacts. If using IP cameras, assign static IPs or reserve DHCP leases so connections remain stable. Note gateway and port for remote viewing. Also verify the recorder's HDMI output is enabled in menus. Some units default to VGA or composite. Finally, connect recorder HDMI to the TV, select that input, and confirm the live feed. You should see camera thumbnails or the active channel immediately. Audio may require enabling in recorder settings. If nothing appears, power cycle the recorder and TV, swap the HDMI cable, and confirm the recorder's output resolution and refresh rate match the TV. Many modern TVs prefer 60Hz. One key troubleshooting tip. If black screen persists, temporarily connect a laptop to the TV HDMI to rule out the TV HDMI port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.